loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Lauren K, and today you are getting ready with me. I have no idea what I'm doing, so send some help. It's been in the box for a while. It has like little fluffies.
Okay, why are you recording?
It's called the Ulta Beauty something. How does this even work? Do I put the makeup on here, or do I put it on my face and then I blend it? How does it work?
You put the lotion first.
Oh, okay. I put the foundation first of the makeup. Oh, this is
Which one should I?
Mary Kay.
Which ones should I wear?
The ones.
These?
Yes. How does this? I'm scared. I don't even. Is that how I? It absorbs all the makeup. These blender beauty fluffy, I don't know, they like absorb all the makeup. This is why people run out so fast. I think I'm just gonna stick to my fingers. Okay, what else did we buy? Ooh, I bought this banana. Try the Milan foundation and concealer. I think I'm just gonna use my fingers. We're almost to the end here, so some of this concealer to touch it up. So I did this with new brush from Ulta. So now I'm gonna do my hair. I guess I'll show you how I do my hair.
And then
lioness. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, go potty. Hold on.
Yes, do you like the hair, babe? Yeah. Okay, now to spray the face with the LA Pro setting spray.
And don't forget to click the subscribe button.
The subscribe button?
The links is in my bio.
What link?
Yeah, I know those links.
Do we like the look?
Yeah, now can you do my hair and I can do my video?
I just did your hair.
No, I want it curly.
Stop. Turn around. These natural curls.
I don't like them.
Okay, stop being a boo-boo. Okay, what else? Want to say bye? Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Mommy, get ready.
See you in the next video.
See you in the
Part
next video.
2.